Oxford Business Group has now launched the report Nigeria 2023. This, the 10th edition of the group's annual business intelligence report, explores the key role that Nigeria's services sector is playing in driving non-oil growth as the country's efforts to diversify its economy gain pace. In particular, the report Nigeria 2023 provides a detailed analysis of the many economic segments that are ripe for expansion. These include financial services, transport and logistics, and telecommunications. It also shines a spotlight on the mining industry, which is benefiting from higher levels of government support on the back of untapped mineral resources and new finds, including lithium. The newly launched report also tracks the renewed focus on infrastructure as part of broader efforts to tackle socio-economic challenges, with transport, energy and housing projects among those set to be prioritised. Subscribers will find details of specific projects underway across key states, including in both Delta State and Gombe State, where industrialisation and infrastructure development are supporting economic expansion. While hydrocarbons still accounted for a significant part of government revenue in Nigeria, the non-oil sector's contribution to GDP was on the rise, with the digital economy a key driver of new growth. The report examines ongoing efforts to strengthen the ICT ecosystem through enhanced connectivity, particularly in rural areas, paving the way for segments such as fintech and e-commerce to expand, while encouraging further innovation and an increase in startups. Although inflation and security issues remain challenges for Nigeria, the country benefits from several competitive advantages, which include a sizable young population and vast energy reserves, supported by substantial remittance inflows. Against this promising backdrop, the report evaluates the priority being accorded to the mobilisation of financial resources in national policies, which should be instrumental in galvanising new growth. Nigeria's new industrialisation drive is a key area of focus in the report, with an analysis on how fiscal incentives for local manufacturers, investments in new power plants, and the development of free and special economic zones are being leveraged to accelerate industrial growth. In this new edition of the report, Nigeria, OBG also looks in detail at Nigeria's repositioning of its energy sector, which entails optimizing oil production levels, securing and expanding its pipeline infrastructure, deregulating the downstream sector, and capitalising on substantial natural gas reserves as a transition fuel to a low-carbon future. Read the report Nigeria 2023 for insights into these topics and more from our on-the-ground experts, as well as insights from key government figures and leaders of public and private sector companies.